bonjour, everyone. I'm Maggie.
And I'm Cody the Craft Wolf.
And welcome to the Fort Frances Library's Craft Bag Tutorials. So, Cody, want to guess what we're doing today?
Oh! Are we making a teddy bear?
No, but what gave you that idea, Cody?
Well, I saw my bear friend Ollie, and she's really into science. I just thought we could do something for her, and I could put like math signs on the bear. Could we do something like that?
I think I know just the thing we can do for your friend.
What would that be?
Well, she likes science, right? Why don't we make a STEM project that she can play with?
Last STEM craft was really fun. Science, technology, engineering, and...
Mathematics.
Ugh, math.
Yes, math. But don't worry, Cody. This craft won't require any math. We're going to be doing movable robots inspired by Julie DeFay on Momes. I think if I give you all the materials, you can bring it to her and she can make one herself.
Yay!
Alrighty, so let's waste no time and hop into the craft.
In this week's craft bag, you'll find one instruction sheet, 2 cardstock papers with the templates printed out on them, 2 beads, 2 string, and 12 craft pins. Some extra materials you will need is some scissors, a ruler, some markers, any color is fine, a hole punch or sharp object, and some tape. Alright, so put everything away but your paper and your markers and color the whole sheet. You can decorate it with stickers, or you can use pencil crayons, or even glitter. It's all up to you. So what are you making, Cody?
I'm making a really cool robot. Want to see?
Sure.
I want green for the eyes. And then I'm gonna make the mouth green too.
That's pretty cool, Cody. What else are you gonna add?
Well, I was thinking about making fire. Ooh, wouldn't it be cool if he had blue jetpacks at the bottom of his feet?
Yeah, that would be pretty cool, Cody. I can't wait to see your robot when it's all done.
Same! Thank you! Look at the fire!
That looks really good, Cody. Good job.
Thank you!
To finish off my robot, I'm going to use pencil crayon to kind of make the colors pop a bit, and to fill in the rest of the robot. Once you're all done coloring, take your robot, your scissors, and your hole puncher. Then take your scissors and cut along the black lines. Make sure to cut everything out so that you can put the robot together. Once you're done cutting everything out, set aside the excess paper into a recycling bin. Then set aside your scissors. Now take your hole puncher and your robot parts. The robot parts should have black dots all around them, so that's where you're going to hole punch. Be careful with the arms and legs because the two black dots are pretty close together and you don't want to punch a hole in the sides, because then you won't be able to stick a tack through it or string, and then the craft won't work. So make sure to be careful. Once everything's all hole punched, take your string and your tacks. What we're going to do is we're going to use the tacks to put in the little holes that we hole punched to kind of make the robot. So you're going to need 6 out of the 12. If the gold tack is too long, you can cut them with wire cutters or leave it as is. I recommend getting an adult to help you if you're planning on cutting the end. Alrighty, so take an arm or a leg and the torso of your robot. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the outer hole is facing inwards towards the center of the body. This is where we're going to put the string, so we want to make sure it's closest to the center of the body as we can get it. The middle hole in the arm or the leg will be where we stick the tacks. So put it in the middle and then open it up. Make sure it's not too tight against the arm and the torso because then it will make it harder to move. So make sure it's loose, but not loose enough to make it fall off. Just like that. See? Look at it move. Alrighty, then do that with the other 3. Remember, keep in mind that the closest hole to the edge will be the one that goes towards the center. Once you're done with the arms and legs, we'll move on to the neck. So we're actually going to put it behind the torso instead of in front so that it looks a little cleaner. But it's totally up to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick the tack through the center. And we're going to do that for both the torso and the head. Open up the tack. This one doesn't matter if you make it too tight or too loose. We just want to make sure the neck stays. There we go. Now put on the head, and you'll be done with the robot. Oh, wait, we still have the feet to do. So after you stick the tacks into the holes, and you have the robot all made, you can take the feet and then attach them to the legs. So you can use glue or you can use tape. I'm going to use tape so then it's a little bit easier and it will give it an almost 3D look. So take a little bit of tape or a little bit of glue and attach it to the legs. Now he's got some feet to dance with. Alrighty. Next step is putting the string onto the robot. When you put the string on the inside, you'll actually get to see him move if you move the head up and down. So, let's show you how to do it. So, flip it over, and where we have the holes towards the center, we're going to put it into those holes. So, to make it easier, let's put some tape on the ends of the string when you're threading it through the holes so that it won't fray and make it difficult to string it through. So just put a little bit on the end and then roll it up into kind of like a shoelace. There we go. Alrighty, so take the two ends and then put them in the top of the head. So make sure to go from the front to the back because this will be important so that you won't see the string when you move your robot. Now split the string. The right will go on the right side and the left will go on the left. So go over with the arms so that the string comes behind the arm from the back. And then do that with the leg. So over and through. And then do that with the other side. Over and through. Then over and through. This can be pretty difficult, so you might want an adult to help you. And there we go. So now we have our robot. Make sure to secure the end with the bead provided so that the string will be easier to grab. You might want to knot it a few times. I'm going to do mine in a triple knot just to be sure the bead won't come off.
And all done! I love this craft! Let's see the move on the wall! too. If you'd like, take a picture of it and post it to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram and tag us. Or use the hashtag FFPLTC Craft Club Crafts.
I can't wait to see everyone's robot pictures.
Same here, Cody. I bet doing all this craft has made a bit of a mess. Why don't we sing the cleanup song and clean up all our stuff? Are you ready, Cody?
Making stuff was really fun. Let's all sing the cleanup song. Clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away.